Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to bring back lost notifications. Sometimes you may accidentally swipe away one of the notifications that you wanted to read fully, and now you have a nagging sense someone emailed you but you are not sure. If you want to review all your recent notifications on Android, you're in luck. This ability is possible, though the option isn't easy to find. Tap and hold on an empty part of the home screen and choose widgets. Now find the settings shortcut. Press on the icon and search for notifications log, then go back. Press on the notifications log. Now you can see a list of all your recent notifications and the ones you had previously. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.